In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete leads in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to safely remove a lead from your system without accidentally deleting the wrong record. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account and that you have the right permissions to delete records. Not every user role can delete leads, so if you don't see the options I'm describing, you may need to contact your CRM administrator. Once you're in Zoho CRM, start by navigating to the Leads module. You'll usually find this in the main navigation bar across the top of the screen. Look for the tab labeled Leads and click it. This takes you to the central list of all your lead records, where you can filter, search, and sort as needed. It's a good idea to use the search bar or filters to make sure you're working with the correct lead, especially if you manage a large database. Next, from the leads list, find the specific lead you want to delete. When you see it in the table, click directly on the lead's name. This will open the lead's details page. The details page is where you can see all the information tied to that lead, such as contact details, company information, activities, and any notes your team has added. Take a moment here to double-check that this is truly the lead you intend to remove, since deleting records can be difficult or impossible to reverse depending on your organization's settings. On the Leads Details page, locate the Delete option. This is often found near the top of the page, sometimes inside a drop-down menu labeled More, or as an icon with a trash bin. Click the Delete button. When you do this, Zoho CRM will show a confirmation prompt. This safety check is there to prevent accidental deletions. When the confirmation message appears, read it carefully. It may remind you that this action could remove associated information, such as activities or notes tied to that lead. If you're absolutely sure you no longer need this record, click Confirm or OK to complete the process. If you have any doubts at all, cancel the action and review the lead again before proceeding. After confirming, the lead will be removed from your Leads module. You can refresh the list to verify that it's no longer there. And that's all you need to know to delete leads in Zoho CRM.